Ultimaker is the premier brand of 3D printers known for their sleek designs and seamless user experience from software to hardware to finished print. The Ultimaker ecosystem is well thought out and removes much of the 3D printing learning curve, allowing everyone from beginners to professionals to get great-looking results with minimal effort. My name is Grant, and I'm here to give you a closer look at the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect in this week's Dynamism Tech Session. The 2 Plus Connect is the evolution of the Ultimaker 2 Plus with a number of improvements that enable an integrated workflow while making your 3D printing experience easier and more reliable. Like its predecessor, the 2 Plus Connect features a medium-sized build volume and single extrusion head, making it perfect for simple 3D printed tasks, small businesses, classrooms, and makerspaces. The addition of network connectivity enables the 2 Plus Connect to take advantage of Ultimaker's powerful digital factory cloud software and marketplace, something that has been limited to the S3 and S5 until now. Digital Factory enables users to easily manage one or multiple 3D printers. This is going to be a great feature for educators or businesses that have multiple users or print jobs in the queue. And the Ultimaker Marketplace. This lets you customize your slicing experience with optional plugins and downloadable profiles for third-party materials. One of the features we're excited to see come to the 2 Plus Connect is the optional Air Manager and Door. This increases user safety and filters up to 95% of ultrafine particles emitted from 3D printing. In addition, the Air Manager system helps maintain a controlled printing environment. This will reduce warping and cracking when printing in colder, breezy environments, or if you plan on printing high warp materials like ABS or polycarbonates. As mentioned, the Air Manager is an optional add-on or can be purchased as a bundle with the 2 Plus Connect. Lastly, the 2 Plus Connect is going to have all of the latest next-generation components, including an upgraded 2.4-inch color touchscreen. This touchscreen is going to guide you every step of the way, from changing materials to adjusting the build plate, to even just monitoring the status of your print. All of these upgrades, combined on top of the premium Ultimaker platform, makes the 2 Plus Connect an excellent option for simple print tasks, small businesses, and print labs. To learn more and order yours, visit dynamism.com. I'm Grant, and this has been a Dynamism Tech Session.